Hi everyone, I am Noor and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I review the latest in film and TV every week. So please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to know what you should be watching and what you should skip, and press the bell notification as well. I also write a blog over on my website nooranandchavla.com, and I'm also known by the same name on Instagram. I leave all my socials down below. Please do check me out there as well. And today, of course, we'll be speaking about Dark, which is the German language TV show on Netflix. And it is its third and final season, is perhaps the best show that I have seen in years and years on TV. I think the last time that I got so immersed in a show like this was Game of Thrones, but that also only the first 3 or 4 seasons, not after that. But let me tell you a little bit about it. Basically, it is a science fiction time travel show based in a fictional town in Germany. The town is called Winden, and the show starts off in 2019, boy's disappearance. And as the show unfolds, you start seeing that every person in the town is hiding something or the other. There's some secret that they're keeping to themselves, and there's a lot of weird stuff happening. Soon it's revealed that time travel is what's causing these disappearances and how everybody is interlinked. And it is really, really freaky, but so beautifully explained. Okay, now this is ultimate binge worthy because you will just want to know what's happening next. And of course, the writing is the star of the show because 3 seasons were planned, written together before they were even released, and I think that's the secret to its success because it is so crisp. There is not a single hitch in the writing. You cannot fault, okay, how could this be possible? That never happens, never. I've done a phenomenal job of maintaining the interest, of maintaining that thriller aspect, and yet tying it up so beautifully, so positively, so well. So even Lost, if you are a fan of Lost, it was a fabulous show, but the ending was controversial. Not many people liked it. Here you will not be disappointed. I can guarantee you that. Overall, the show is science fiction, but it leaves you with a feeling of love and positivity. And I think it's done such a beautiful job of conveying these different emotions through science fiction. So yes, the writing is absolutely brilliant. The acting is excellent by every character, and trust me, there are so many because each character has a past, a present, and a future. I recommend that you watch the show in German language with English subtitles because it adds to the essence of it. About the costumes and the music, today I'm inspired by my favorite costume, which is Agnes Nielsen's character in the 1950s, and I just love the way that she was dressed. The mood of the show, so the present day is dark and it's very sinister, but in the past there's so much color. The 1980s is beautiful. The music is fantastic, so well chosen. Whoever has made it has put in such painstaking detail that it really, really is worthy of appreciation. I highly recommend everybody watch the show, obviously adults only. I will, however, give a little disclaimer that it is a little scary in parts because of the use of music, the use of sudden appearance of characters. So if you are easily scared and you really don't like horror thrillers, then maybe you can skip it. But I also am not that kind of person who enjoys it, but I just loved Dark. Just don't watch it at night, watch it during the day. The third season, I felt it was not as fast paced as the first and the second one, but then there was a lot of ground to cover because they introduced an entirely new concept in the third season, and I feel like they did a pretty good job. But I do wish that they had tied up the 2 or 3 stories, like what Agnes Nielsen's story was not covered, Shantae's story was not covered, but perhaps we can expect a special, who knows. I hope somebody is watching this and will do it. Dark Season 3 on Netflix gets 5 on 5 stars because it is just a fabulous show and you must watch all 3 seasons. Do not start with Season 3. Start from Season 1. You will be lost. If you start from Season 3, you will not understand what's happening. But then there are only 26 episodes, so totally worth your time. Alright guys, that's it from me. I'll see you very soon with another video. And if you liked my look, leave a comment down below and tell me what you thought of it. Please like and share this video with somebody that might enjoy it as well. Bye.